Need funding for your real estate investment deal? Longhorn Investments is professional, reliable, and fast. Currently serving Texas, Tennessee, North Carolina, Missouri, Alabama, and Indiana, Longhorn Investments, LLC is a direct private lender offering short-term acquisition and renovation capital to real estate investors for both residential and commercial assets. With Longhorn Investments, you can receive up to 75% of ARV, finance up to 100% of cost, close in 3 to 5 business days, no income requirements, a streamlined, simple approval process, and no prepayment penalty. Formed in 2008, Longhorn Investments has funded over 4,000 loans since its inception and includes complementary businesses, including a title company and real estate law practice. Longhorn's wealth of experience puts them in the unique position of being able to help investors throughout all aspects of each transaction. To get started today and see why Longhorn Investments is the superior lending experience, call and speak to Lawrence Hopkins at 314-749-7616. That's 314-749-7616. Or visit Longhorn Investments at longhorninvestments.com. Longhorn Investments. Hard money lending simplified.
Universe. Media. Network.
Good day, I'm Samantha Smith with your United States Real Estate Investor News, sponsored by Longhorn Investments, the fast, reliable, professional, and superior lending experience. Get started today at longhorninvestments.com. With home buyers paying massive amounts over asking lately, the coastal cities are presumed to be the highest-priced markets in the country. Now, there is one unsuspecting city that's surprising everyone. Quoting Douglas A. McIntyre of 24/7 Wall Street via MSN, demand for housing has risen sharply in 2021, and that has affected prices. According to the carefully followed S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller indices, home prices nationwide rose 19.1% in October, compared to the same month last year. In several markets, the figure was over 25%. Because of the high demand for housing in some markets, sellers are able to command a premium price for their homes, and the most overpriced housing market in America is Boise City, Idaho. And this city has the most expensive houses in America. No single factor has caused these increases in demand for housing. Certainly, low mortgage rates have contributed, although these have begun to rise. Tens of thousands of people have departed expensive coastal cities such as New York and San Francisco, where home prices exceed twice the national median, for cities inland where prices have been lower. The ability to work from home, brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic, has allowed many Americans to become mobile. Ironically, the move inland has pushed home prices higher in cities people have found attractive for their new lives. With limited supply, bidding wars, in which more than one buyer puts an offer for the same home, have also contributed to price increases. Homes in some cities now stay on the market for just a few days. Still, you can buy a home for under $100,000 in these American cities. The high demand for homes in recently desirable cities has caused them to become overvalued, compared to historical numbers. Florida Atlantic University's College of Business has tracked the value of homes in the top 100 U.S. housing markets. The researchers, Ken H. Johnson, Ph.D., and Eli Baraka, Ph.D., have developed a methodology to score the top 100 most overpriced or underpriced metropolitan cities in the U.S. They used data from Zillow, specifically the Zillow Home Value Index, and a series of complex formulas that take into account home prices over a period of years. 24/7 Wall Street reviewed the study to find the most overpriced housing market in America. The city that carries the largest premium for home prices is Boise City, Idaho, with a premium of 78.36%. This is well above the second highest premium, which is 57.96% in Austin, Texas. No cities on either coast made the top 10 cities on the list. Tampa, Florida, which is ranked 15th, carries the highest premium of coastal cities at 39.94%. End quote. For our quick content suggestion this week, we have Why Real Estate Investors Should Shift Their Gaze to Data Centers, from The Motley Fool. To research further, see links and more from these reports in the news notes. If you'd like to get started in real estate investing, download our free guide, 5-Step Beginner's Guide to Real Estate Investing, at unitedstatesrealestateinvestor.com/free guide. That's unitedstatesrealestateinvestor.com/free guide. For more news and other great real estate investing content, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. I'm Samantha Smith for United States Real Estate Investor News. United States Real Estate Investor. Helping you achieve financial freedom through media, networking, and knowledge. UnitedStatesRealEstateInvestor.com.
Universe Media Mastering. Your audio more listenable.